Hi, today is the first video of 2023 at the Speltz farm. And today I'm going to be showing you all the animals, even the ones that we're going to get. First, I think we'll go to the rabbit. Show you these quickly. We're going to be putting them in a stall with special lighting so that they don't need all the sunlight. Here's our little control panel. You can just push a button. So this used to be our feed stall, and we are going to be putting rabbits along this wall. The cages will be coming soon. Now we're just going to be going to the horses. We're just going to feed them outside today because it's nice and warm. Our mom is walking up from feeding the horses. They should be done now. Are they fed? They're lying right now. They are fed, for sure. Here are the bucks. They don't really want to come out, but they should be in their thing. Right, King? Oh, there's Bobo. Kind of cold out for them. Just gonna walk down to the pig pen quickly. We're gonna get our pigs back in the spring. Their feeder, water, hutch. We just turned off the fence because probably would be shorting out right now otherwise. That's where the pigs are going to go. Oh, now who's yelling at us? Come here, Bobo. Come here. They still don't want to come out. No food for you. And here we have our two little Nubians. Starving. Right? And we're just going to the back and look at all our babies. Here she comes. Let's just turn on the lights. Here they all are, most of them, slacking around eating hay. You just want peanuts. You're hungry. This is another one of our moms with her baby. That one's also hungry in the back. And this is my Nigerian buck, which I just got. I will be getting him does. They're getting bred right now. They'll come back at the end of January, hopefully. And he's adorable, and he loves to go sledding. Right, Blitz? Blitz. Yeah, he's pretty cute. Right, Blitz? Moving on. Nobody in this stall yet. It's just an empty stall. This is our creep stall. We're just getting the babies used to it, so they're not in here at the moment. Then we can go to our dairy goats. Slackers. Go. Oh, there you guys are. Oh, you're eating the hay. Isn't it a nice day out? Yeah? Hi, should we go get you guys some water? Come on. You want some water? you go. Oh, hi, Willow. This pen is currently not being used. We're just not using it right now. We'll probably use it later in the spring. Hi, Irish. Then we will go to this pen. Here we have our two little doelings. Right, Luna, right, Coco, and Hope. She will be having her babies in about March. Right, Hopi? You guys thirsty? We're all thirsty. Hi, guys. Should we go see if you guys have hay? Come on. Oh yeah, they have hay. Good as new. Eat it. Wow, you're so picky. You're picky. Hi, Luna. Bye, Coco. Next, we'll be heading to the chicken coop. And there shouldn't be any other animals other than that. Hi, guys. You guys are starving. It's like we never feed them. Oh, hi, Irish. Excuse me. Come here, Rosie. Sorry, no peanuts today. You get food. Hey, Tiana. Sweetie. Bye, Blitz. Adorable. Never had a cuter goat. You guys are pretty cute, but not as cute as Blitz. Turn off the lights. Bye, guys. Bye, sweetie. Let's just head down to the chickens now. You guys want to come out yet? No. Maybe? Come on, King. Come on, buddy. There you go. Come on, it's not that cold out. Little baby. Bye-bye. Oh, hi, Mr. T. Up too cold. Gotta go back in, you know. Let's just be making our way to the chickens. Last but not least, we have our chickens. We're just giving them shavings right now because You don't want the humidity to like overwhelm the stink. How you doing, ladies? Yeah. All alone. So sad. This is basically just some calcium. Nothing to it. They just like to eat it. Here you go, girls. Come on. They're camera shy. Next, we'll head to the other barn where we will show you where our meat birds will be going. Nice and heated in here. Is it nice and cozy in there? Nice and warm? Yeah, they like it. That's where our baby chicks are. Then in this room, we will have our meat birds. There will be about 50 to 70. And they'll come in here and live for about 8 weeks. Then we kill them off. Pretty cozy in there for them.
Hello YouTube, and as you have heard, my daughter has a Nigerian dwarf buck, Blitz here, that he's a little bit of a daredevil. He likes to go sledding. So here he is, ready to sled. Hang on, little buddy.
I'm not even ready to go. Your little Ethan.
He is adorable. He is super friendly, and just so you know, he's not for sale.
Not for sale. He is mine.
She kind of loves him a lot.
Ready, Blitz?
Here we go.
Ready to go? Ready?
It's a good thing he's a daredevil, since he has to live with standard-sized bucks this summer. We're going to let him get a little size on him, and then when the grass is green, he's going outside. He seems to be able to fend for himself quite well, though. He's ready for another ride. Look at that tail go. Oh yeah, he's running. He's not afraid of a little winter. Did you have fun, Blitz?
Yeah.
What'd you think? Was sledding awesome?
Was it awesome?
Now you're not talking.
Come on, cutie. Say bye-bye. That will be all for today. Please like and subscribe and keep watching for more awesome, amazing videos. Thank you.